A very warm welcome to the Learning Home, and I'm delighted to see you once again. Today we are going to cover the dictate function in Microsoft Word. So there are a few subtopics like what is dictate function first, and why do we need this function, where we can find in the Microsoft Word settings, how we can use it and how we can optimize it. That's the point of discussion today. So first thing first, I like to say that what the setting I'm using and what the tool I'm using is Microsoft Word Office 365. And if you want to know which tools you are using, then probably you have to go to the File tab and then go further down. You will see so what is dictate function? This is a feature in which you can type while speaking. It is also known as the voice typing in Google Sheet or any other kind of tools. It is known by various different kind of names. There are numerous advantages. You can type many words per minute. So just keep on speaking, it will keep on typing. If you don't know the vocabulary, if you don't know the vocabulary of that specific words, you can, and you know how to pronounce, just say it, it will type for you. There are numerous disadvantages as well, like if it is you are in the noisy area, if there is a background noise, probably you may not be able to type. You have to still spend time in editing. You need to be comfortable while speaking also in front of computer. So let's start with the practical stuff. So this is the screen where we are going to show you. So you can see in the home tab here the ribbon, and on the right hand side there is a group called voice group, and you will see the dictate option here. It is with the blue mic, and you can start dictating by just press this dictate option once. So in order to use its feature, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this and see how does this work. So I'm going to type this one with the dictate function and compare how efficient it is. Another important thing that there are some languages marked over here. You can do dictation in only these few languages, so there is a little limitation over here, so you have to be mindful of it. So let's start with the using the feature. Now you can see a red. Now it's ready for typing. Education is the process of facilitating learning or acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, beliefs, and habits. Education methods include teaching, training, storytelling, discussion, and directed research. Formal education is commonly divided formally into such stages as a preschool or kindergarten, primary school, secondary school, and then college and university. Here you can see that it is almost type same thing which is marked over here. Only difference is there is no comma, there is no punctuation mark, there is no change in paragraphs, no change in the new line. But you can ask this tool to mark a punctuation mark. Only you have to say that punctuation mark, and you have to tell this, it will mark it for you. So let's try once again. How does it mark the punctuation mark and the change in new line and new paragraph? So let's try that one. Full stop, comma, exclamation mark, question mark, new line, New paragraph. So you can see it can type the punctuation mark, you can change the new line, new paragraphs as well. So I'm going to do same thing once again by enunciating the punctuation mark and the new line and new paragraphs command. So let's try that one. Education is the process of facilitating learning, comma, or the acquisition of knowledge, comma, skills, values, comma, beliefs, comma, and habits. Full stop. Educational methods include teaching, comma, training, comma, storytelling, comma, discussion, and directed research, comma. New paragraph. New paragraph. Formal education is commonly divided formally into such stages as a preschool or kindergarten, comma, primary school, comma, secondary school, and then college and university, comma. So you can see I did a little mistake in enunciating some of the words or punctuation mark. It has marked it wrongly. So you can see it is more or less similar. There is a little mistakes here. And apart from that, it has just been comma, but apart from that, more or less, this is aligned with what is there on the top. So to a great extent, this is a very useful tool for us to make the use of this tool and make the typing more speedier and improve the convenience while typing. With this, we have come to an end of the discussion today. If you have liked the videos, please do share with your friends and family who are interested in this kind of contents. If you are interested in learning more, please do subscribe to the channel. There is much more to come in the future. With this, I will say goodbye with the hope that I will see you once again. Thank you.